Ka Achik conscious holistically integrated krema menta ka artrik ujaliu kalalej IT ya ka dorkhas sya ulat kejala UCH Vijay Shankar ban pensngawi kin riutli ki mat jingdawa jon ki pajba riulum garo. Habai kren cikilat pathai kubor u General Secretary ka Achik u Adam R. Sangma ulaong bakamat jingdawa bahakmat kalong ban pelong Nongbah Tlang ne winter capital ya ka Tura. Nalor ka Nongbah Tlang Tura ka sengkala Dawa ban kintiu kerdan ya ka Dedengri ya ka district ban pentrikam ban penhe no ya ka Baljek airport ban mang pisa susut na ka benta bante ya ka Captain Williamson Sangma State University ban pentrikam ya ki inaline permit khnang bante lakam ya ka Jingwan Kertlep ki bar jala na Bangladesh ban itu no ya ka Garo customary law ban dan no ya ka electoral la ka jong na ka benta ka GHDC. Hakaju kapor unong ilang kaseng uloong bakaseng kala Dawa baka sorkar kadai ban nang pen kenriak no ikat tu kat ni kitnat sorkar Tura ban shna no eka ying dorbar Tlang jong ka ying dorbar Thawan ke jela bat ban bu eka ying bishar Tura. U adam uloong bakani kamat jingdawa kamdai syu tang kamat jingdawa jong ki seng phalang Henry kadai kamat bat kawai kasur jingdawa jong ki pajba riulum garo.
We have met our honorable governor and we have submitted a memorandum which contains various issues regarding Garo Hills and overall for the state of Meghalaya. So as we met the governor, we have begun our talking and we started talking about winter capital. So winter capital is a very genuine demand and it has been surfacing, and I should say it is the talk of the town in Tura now. Okay, everyone knows now, everyone is talking about winter capital, but I want to highlight a little bit why we are pressing this winter capital. You see, when Meghalaya state was formed in 1972, our forefathers, our pioneers, the founding fathers of Meghalaya, their vision was beyond the statehood. Their vision was not limited to the statehood, their vision was beyond the statehood. Because they also envisionized a future aspiration for the people of Meghalaya, that is for the Khasi, Garo and Jaintia, to have a way to preserve our culture, to preserve our society, and also to be more established in the society as part of Indian Union. And when we talk about winter capital, we are not talking about mini secretariat and these things. We are talking about for the 6 months we are talking about to have administrative, legislative, and judiciary bench for the whole of 6 months in Tura. So regarding this winter capital, some might have doubt how this has begun and how this is going. But I want to clarify. You see, when we talk winter capital, some people align this with particular group or particular organization, but that is not that is not true. Not true in a sense like this is the issue of the people. Why I say this is the issue of the people? When we met the people, when we met our the senior people, when we met our senior politicians, we come to know that this was the aspirations of our forefathers. And so when we try to reach to the people, when we reach out the people in every part of the nook and corners of Garo Hills, then we came to the conclusion that people have the knowledge. They have the knowledge about this. That the vision was there, that the aspiration was there to have Tura as the winter capital and Shillong to be the summer capital. And by saying that, now when we went and discussed with the people, now the people have understood. Now they are saying that this issue is not the issue of this Achik organization. This issue is not the issue of any other organization. But this issue is my issue. Now the people are saying, see, the language is changing now. The people are saying, now this issue is my issue. Now this right is my right. So now when the people have already understood that issue is related to all the people of Garo Hills, especially for the Garos, we have come to the common platform now. And the voice is one, we are speaking in one tone. So we want to fully let the people know that this is a very genuine issue and we are pressing on this issue there are a lot of other organizations, other associations. They are also pressing this, but we are also in that same line, in the same run. So by saying that, why we need a winter capital in Tura? You see, when we talk about Tura, located in the westernmost part of Meghalaya, and also when we look at the map on the satellite or anywhere, you can see how it is isolated from the rest of the Meghalaya. So there's a lot of problems for the people. In simple, if I say in simple terms, there are a lot of problem for the people in terms of connectivity. Yes, we are connected by Meghalaya itself, but it is very far. And Shillong being the headquarter of the state, the capital of the state, often our people finds very difficult to reach here. Say for example, for some official works, we have to reach to Shillong, but the road is very far. It's very far. And see, recently we came to Shillong to submit a memorandum to the governor. We supposed to take Guwahati road because Guwahati road is closest to us. If you come to Nongbah road, it is very far, I think it's far. It's like more far, I think. So, excuse me. So by saying that, what I want to point is that, even when we look at the geographical location, we are very isolated from the headquarters, the administrative capital of the state of Meghalaya. So by making Tura as the winter capital, or is a second capital, we are bringing the people closer to the governance. We are also decentralizing the governance for the benefit of the people, because every people living in a state having a unique identity must have equal value. No one should feel alienated, no one should feel marginalized. So in order to overcome these issues, we have to consider and we have to take steps for declaring Tura as the winter capital. In saying that also, we should not look at the financial constraint in the short term, but we should try to think beyond that. We should think the future, the progression, the benefit that we will receive as a state, Meghalaya as a state, Meghalaya as a state as a whole. So in saying so, there are certain points, but yeah, we will give you the some talks. I want to let the people also know that our demand is very genuine, and it is not a demand of our Achik organization or any other organization, I should say. But this demand, this issue is the issue of the people, and the people have understood this, and they have said already that this is my issue, this is my right. So we will stand for this, and we will do what is required to do, and we will see the future progression of our state and for the people of our region. And by saying this, I want to complete.